12 things you can do to save on your homeowner's insurance. As a homeowner, you may be wondering how you can lower your insurance premiums. This article discusses the top 12 ways of achieving a lower cost of insurance premiums. Number 1, increase your deductible. Raising your deductibles can cause an immediate impact on increased savings of your premiums. Recently, most firms advise having a deductible starting at around $500. If they offer it, try doubling your deductible to about $1,000 or more. You're most likely to save more than 25%. Number 2, take time to shop around. Shop rates. You can even ask friends and family to help make some calls to insurance providers from the internet or consumer guides. For many of us, this may be an eye-opener considering the broad range of prices and coverages. Number 3, purchase both auto policies and home together. Some firms selling homeowners, liability, and auto coverage will take somewhere between 5 to 15% off your premiums when you buy 2 or more policies. But always remember to ensure that this combined cost is lower when compared to buying the separate coverage from other firms. Number 4, distinguish between paying for a house and the rebuilding cost. The land your house sits on is risk-free of fire, theft, windstorm, and other disasters that are covered under your homeowner's insurance policy. Therefore, it's important to deduct the land value from the overall insurance coverage, as there'll be no rebuild cost on that portion. Number 5, find ways of making your home disaster resistant. Consult with a professional how to make your home more resistant to natural disaster. You'll be surprised at how large the savings can be overall on premiums by installing roof reinforcement, storm shutters, storm doors, and other preventative measures. Number 6, boost your home's security. In most instances, you can get a discount for having a burglar alarm, deadbolt locks, or other surveillance equipment. Some firms have been known to offer as much as 15 to 20% discounts, depending on the sophistication of the burglar and fire alarm or sprinkler system that rings through to the various monitoring stations. Number 7, look out for other discounts. Different firms offer multiple discount types, but not all companies are the same, and the discounts may vary on company policy and state regulations. One example, in some states, insurance is less expensive for a retired individual since retired people are home more than working people, and they stand a lower chance of being burglarized and reporting emergencies and fires more quickly. Number 8, identify one insurer and stick with them. If you have maintained your insurance with a particular provider for many years, you may stand a greater chance of getting a special discount offer for your long-term loyalty. Some insurers may lower their premiums by about 5%, so you'll remain loyal to them for between 3 to 5 years, and about 10% in the case that you continue to be a policyholder for 6 years or more. Number 9, keep a good credit record. Maintaining a good credit history will cut the cost of your insurance. Insurers are always making use of credit history data to calculate the insurance policy of homeowners. In most cases, your insurance firm is supposed to advise you of a large credit swing that may cause an increase to your insurance. This way you can always check and authenticate the accuracy of the data related to the insurer. Number 10, check your policy limits and values at least one time a year. You need your insurance policy to take care of any significant additions or purchases made to your home, but you don't want to spend more than you need to. Depreciation of equipment over years should be adjusted for, and you may be able to lower your floater and keep the difference. Number 11, if you are in a government plan, check for a private insurance. If you're living in a disaster-prone area, and you've constantly been buying government homeowners insurance policies, look around for private insurance companies or representatives that will take on higher risk clients. Number 12, take note of the cost of homeowners insurance when buying a home. When looking for homes for sale in Myrtle Beach, be aware you may incur fewer insurance costs depending on the area. For example, if you were to purchase a home near a fire hydrant or in communities with professional as opposed to volunteer fire departments. They may also provide a discount if the home's plumbing, heating, and electrical systems are not more than 10 years old. Your realtor with Coldwell Banker Chicora Advantage will be happy to provide you with some local companies that you may want to call. The verdict? Over time, the cost of goods increase. Just like any other product or service, the cost of homeowners insurance will increase as well. Considering the above discussed ways of keeping insurance premiums low and implementing them will go a long way and keep you smiling when paying for your bills and servicing your insurance premiums and other expenses.